I don't think you'll ever be original again. Original's all been done, but you can be unique. So, you know, you'll never find another red, yellow or blue, but you put yellow and blue together and you make green, and that's a unique thing. It's not yellow, it's not blue. And we're and obviously that's the very basis of the color analogy there. But now we're talking about, you know, putting so many different nuances of different colors in that eventually you'll come with, you know, whatever it might be, mint green mushroom is what you whatever colors. I don't know. I'm not been following Farrow and Ball recently, but you know, you get like very, very niche thing that is unique. It's you've taken all these inspirations, you know, you've got to follow in your instinct and yeah, eventually you'll come up with your own, nobody else, because it's you that's taken all those different things there, all those different inspirations, and mixed them all together and come out with your own result.